My name is Charmaine Givens Thomas, and I'm from Chicago, Illinois, and I work at the Evergreen Park Walmart in Evergreen Park store 5485. I'm on strike because to stop Walmart from the retaliation for workers to speak out for their free speech, and I'm here on this wonderful freedom caravan to Bentonville, Arkansas, with my daughter and my 3 grandchildren, Solomon, Aja, Aaliyah, and Alexis.
She forgot my name.
And we're here because when I was 15 years old, I marched with Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. in Chicago for housing from Soldier Field to downtown Chicago, and that made an impact in my life. So I thought that if I brought my grandchildren, it would make an imprint on them, a wonderful impression. So we're here today going to Bentonville, Arkansas on this wonderful caravan.
She's trying to make changes not just for herself, but for everyone, not just for those who speak up, but for those who are scared to speak out. She's putting everything on the line to make changes for not just herself, but for everybody.
Well, basically, I'm really proud of her because it's like she's going through all this this traveling and stuff just to stand up for what's right, and how it's kind of wrong how Walmart treat people so badly by paying them really low, and then they keep the money for themselves, and they have them working really hard, but then it's like they can't afford for the rent or bills and stuff like that. And I really feel proud of my grandma because she's actually giving the time of her day just to sit there and speak up for everybody else who cannot speak up for themselves.
When I found a group like our Walmart, I joined because I found people that were going through the same situations that I was across the country.
Walmart, we're coming to Bentonville, and we're coming to make sure that our voices are heard.